Good morning, dear students. Class 8 English Grammar. Determiners first chapter. In this chapter, some exercises were left. So we will take today some exercises. Now today you can see the exercise 2. In this exercise, you have to insert articles where necessary. So in exercise 2, first line. In this line, while there is life, there is hope. So while there is life, there is a hope, because a is used before the word which begins with consonant sound. So a should be here in the first line before the word hope. In the second line, I have not seen him since he was child. So in this line, a is used before the word child because the word child begins with consonant. In the third line, umbrella is of no avail against thunderstorm. So in this line, in the first before the line, you have to use and because umbrella begins with the word umbrella begins with vowel sound. So n is used here, and in the last before the word thunderstorm. So that is used because this is the unique thing. In the fourth line, how blue sky looks. So here, how blue the sky. The is used before the word sky because the word sky, it belongs to unique thing, and the is used before the word sky. And in the fifth line, the doctor says it is hopeless case. So in this line, a is used before the word hopeless because the word hopeless begins with consonant sound. Get in the sixth line, get kilo of sugar from nearest grocer. So in this line, get a kilo because the word kilo is it begins with consonant sound, and I is used here before the word kilo. In the seventh line, my favorite flower is rose. So here rose is a different kinds of unique kind of thing. So that is the is used before the word rose. In eighth line, what kind of bird is that? So bird is also noun, and before the word is used because the word begins with consonant sound. In the ninth line, it is never thought thankful of his to offer advice. So advice, the word advice begins with vowel sound. So and is used before the word advice. In 10th line, there is nothing like staying at home for comfort. So in this line, before the word comfort, the is used because the word comfort begins with consonant, and as well as it is unique word. And in the 11th line, moon did not rise till after 10. So here before the word moon we will use the because it is also belongs to unity. 12 number, wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. So captivity, before the word captivity we use the. And in 13th, you must take care of your health. In this line there is no article. In 14th, set back the clock. The is used before the word clock, and it is an hour. N is used before the word hour because it sound begins with vowel. Means set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. And then next exercise. Here exercise 4 is given, students. You can see first of all, in this exercise you have to apply a little and the little. So when in which condition you have to use little, a little and the little? First of all, you can see here You can see here use of little, not much, hardly any, not much, hardly any means in minor things or in very few things, very few conditions, in uncountable things we use little. A little, some, though not much, some, a few, in few quantity, in little quantity means around 20%, 10% around quantity. In that case, we use a little. In and the little, not much, but all that is. Around 100% of quantity, we use the little. Around 10% to 50% quantity, we use a little, and little is used not much, hardly any, means 1 to 5, 1 to 10 around quantity we use little. So here exercise 4 is given here. So first line, dash grain was damaged by seawater. The little grain was damaged by the seawater, and a little care could have prevented the catastrophe. So in this line, in the second, a little is used. In third line, dash precaution is necessary in handling that machine. So a little precaution is necessary in handling that machine. So in this way you can use little, a little, the little, as I told you, little is used in that case in not much, hardly any, means 1 to 5% quantity. A little is used 10 to 50 or 60% quantity. The little is used in all, means 100% quantity. Dear students, it's a exercise 5th. In this exercise you have to apply few, a few and the few. So you can see here use of few, a few and the few. Few, not many, hardly any, like little. So what is the difference between little and few? So little is used in before the uncountable noun, and few is used before the countable noun. So few means not many, hardly any, but in countable noun. A few means some, and the few means not many but all there are, but in countable noun. So exercise 5th is given here. You can see the first line of exercise 5th. The few public libraries that we have are not used, are not well equipped. So the few is used before, means in this line, means the few public libraries that we have are not well equipped. In the second line, the few days that are left to him, he spends in solitude and meditation. So the few is used because not many but all there are. And in third line, a few days, a few is used in this line, a few days, rest is all that is needed. In fourth line, it is a question of spending a few rupees. It is a question of spending a few rupees, so a few is used in this line. The few is used in the fifth line. The few Japanese that are in Mumbai are law-abiding citizens. In sixth line, in a few words. In the sixth line, a few is used. A few words. In a few words, he expressed his gratitude to his friends. So in this way, you can complete your exercise 5th. Now the next exercise 6. Dear students, in this exercise 5th, 6th, you have to use a few and a little. As I told you, a few is used for some, is in countable noun, and a little is used for some, though not much, that is for uncountable noun. So here, first line, there will be a little rain, because rain is uncountable. So in that case, that is a little is used. And in the second line, I need a little rest, because rest is also uncountable. In that case, we will use a little. In third line, could you buy a few bottles of water for me? So here bottle is countable, that's why we used a few. And in fourth line, my parents give me a little pocket money. So pocket money is uncountable. That's why we used here a little. In fifth line, all we need is a little luck. So luck is also uncountable. That's why we use a little here. In the sixth line, would you like to eat a few biscuit? So biscuit is countable. That's why we use a few here. In the seventh line, there is still a few bread left. So here bread is also countable. That's why we use a few here. And in eighth number, my friend knows a few celebrities. So celebrities are also here countable. That's why we used a few here. Thank you.